been a minute since we've done a beginner Cricut tutorial. So let's talk about layering heat transfer vinyl in 60 seconds or less. Gotta make sure I have a blank in my cabinet first. Ah, yes. So I'm gonna do a pocket design. So I'm gonna measure my space, and it looks like I've got about 4 inches of width to work with. And I'm gonna do a monogram. And I'm gonna do this design because apparently I have an hour to weed today. I'm gonna change my width to 4. And now I'm just changing the colors of these layers to match what I actually want to cut. Now I'm gonna hit make it. I'm gonna make sure both layers are mirrored. Next, everyday iron on. I'm so shiny. Place it shiny side down. Repeat the cutting part for both layers. Then very carefully weed both layers. Always preheat. Place your first layer, press it, peel, place your second layer, press it,